Hey, everybody, this is Jacqueline Evich, and I want to talk to you today about how to get massive leads from Craigslist. This is my Facebook page. This is my family. We had an awesome time, went to amusement park and had a great time. So this is my family here. But today I want to talk to you about how to get massive leads from Craigslist. I want to thank you for stopping by this video. Hopefully this video will add value. Hopefully you can get some amazing tips and use some of the things that I'm going to share with you today in order to get massive leads for your business so that you can excel in your business and excel in your income. Be sure and make sure that you do this right now. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss any of my amazing videos, and hit the little bell so that you always get a notification when I've added something new. So let's jump right into it. We're going to go here to and make a post here. We're going to go under um, gigs and computers, and let's see. Gigs and computers. Excuse me. And then we're going to hit post. And then it's going to be gig offered. I want to hire someone. Okay, wait a minute. Computer gigs. Okay. Okay, here we go. And so I'm going to get my notepad here. It's my water app, you guys. Let's see. Craigslist. Okay, hold on here. Nuts. But this is how we're going to get massive leads by posting on Craigslist. Okay, there's my document. Okay, let's see. This is going to be the body here of the ad. I'm going to copy. I'm going to put that right in here, just like that. And then we're going to put in a title here. I've been using Craigslist for a minute now, and you do have to pay for the ad, but it's still like a no-brainer because you get all of these leads that you can build your list with, and it's just amazing how you get so many leads. Okay, let's see here. Make this bigger. Okay, and then the pay, you want to put that in there according to what your opportunity is. And email. I'm gonna put that in there. And then see, like here, this is just a Craigslist mail reply so that, people won't be inboxing. They won't be emailing you per se. They'll be responding to the ad. So that makes it easy that you can do that. And I don't want them contacting me by phone or text. And then I don't want other people contacting me about other offers. And that's it. So let's see how this happens. Okay. And then we push continue. And we're not doing an image. And this one is only, wow, this is awesome. Most of my ads I've been using have been, they've been charging like anywhere from $5 to $7. So this one is $3. Looky there, looky there. And so then here you'll get, it'll tell you that you'll get an email. You should receive an email shortly with the link. That was a notification. Hopefully you guys heard it. You'll get an email with the link, and then all you do is you go to that email, you make your payment, and then your ad is listed. And so that it's just that simple, you guys. It's just that simple. I hope that you have found value. Um, hope you found value in this video, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click the bell so that you don't miss anything. And I will see you on the next video.